3,000 to 10,000 or 3,000 to 11,000 needed intervention and serious intervention. So that's one. Number two, you've got to fill in steps every day. So if you exercise for say 3 or 4 days in a week, the tendency earlier was to slack off on the other 3 days and certainly slack off on one of the weekends and say that now I need rest. But 10,000 steps every day means every day. And that's been a big change over the last 2.5 months.
For me, this whole program has changed a lot of the way that I do things now. It's too easy to just lie on the couch and do nothing. It's make the effort and you'll get the rewards.
My pit stops have now become walk stops. What used to be sit at a table and catch up with somebody has become walk around the office and catch up with somebody. The next thing that's happening is, I don't know, I'm not yet ready to start running, but maybe it's inspiring me to think of those dimensions, which I was not thinking of before.
I never thought of going into doing yoga as such, but this has really motivated me to go on with yoga also.
This has changed our daily routine. What earlier our daily routine was, we just get up, we make ready ourselves for the office and going back to the office and then having dinner and all. Then we go to the bed. Now every time we think about how to go on the road and sometimes spend some time on ourselves. Now I started doing the exercise. On Saturday, Sunday we are playing cricket. On usual days, on routine, we are playing a badminton. So these are the changes I am feeling it.
A lot of the employees have gotten a lot more conscious about their health, about their lifestyle, and a lot of them have made certain long-term changes. So there are people who have enrolled for yoga as a result of this. They've been gymming a lot more and a lot more activities, after lunch, walks during the office.
Instead of taking a rickshaw or a taxi back from the train station to their homes, they're walking that extra half hour. Just simple things like that. I think everybody is doing that. People taking the stairs rather than going by lift. I know I never take the lift anymore, even back home, 7 floors. Whenever I get home, I always walk up the 7 floors, never take the lift. And I think I'm seeing that with more and more people.
I have to get to some 4 floors up, I'll take the stairs. I'll make sure I go back home and go for a walk.
What I did is I have actually engaged a personal trainer and I run now for 3 kilometers. So, and I make sure that the Stepathlon is with me. So it increases my footsteps. So it gives you that little perk in life.
This is the number of steps that I involved and this is the calorie burn. And accordingly, I can prepare myself with the right diet and the right calorie intake.
Over a period of 2 months, you become, you're used to. Now by default, wherever I go, now in between Diwali vacation, we were not in Bombay. But my routine was ensure that I walk that much steps.
For one, like I said, there's a lot more people walking. There's a lot more conscious walking. So I shared that there are more people on the stairs. There are more people eating healthier. There are more people walking around. I've seen meetings where we say, come on guys, let's go out. So I know leaders like myself taking teams out saying, let's walk. If we've got a meeting, if we've got to think about something that we have to solve for, we'll say, let's go get some fresh air and let's clock a few steps.
I mean, I'm getting to nearly 50, so for me, I've always got a high level of energy, but now I'm more conscious of it. When I wasn't doing Stepathlon, I wasn't conscious of it, so I'm more conscious of it now. So, yeah, more active.
People who are participating, and from the, let's say, the testimonials and comments we heard last year, they were able to bring exercise and fitness and activity into their lives and actually had fun and maybe reorganize their work to suit that, and also actually were able to, in many cases, bring their family as partners into this activity. So I think it worked.
Pedometer gives us that morning. It gives us a reminder. Yes, you have to do something today, which keeps you healthy.
I loved it, and it helped me to keep myself healthy.